All right. Who would like to go first?
I can. So the forces that make market economies work are, I put C, supply and demand.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yep.
I can do 2. The highest form of competition is called perfect competition.
Yep, I got that.
Yep.
I can do 3. The demand for a good or service is determined by, I put those who buy the good or service.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yes. Sorry, I got birds chirping in the background here.
You're good.
All right, I'll do 4. Most studies indicate that tobacco and marijuana tend to, let's see, I put B, complement.
That's what I got.
Yep.
I can do 5. If the law of demand applies to this good, then Q1 should be, or could be, I put A 0.
Yeah, I put 0 too.
Hey guys, really fast. I can't get my iLearn to load for some reason. So I don't know what to do.
Did you try a different browser?
No, but I know that that one's not going to work. Every time I try to use my other one, it never works either.
Well, you could maybe just write down the answers right now, and then later when you can get it to load, you can put it in.
Okay.
If that works, I don't know.
No, that's a good idea. What did you? And then I think, buddy, but I just want to make sure I got the same answers. I heard number 1, 4, and 5. What did you guys get for 2 and 3?
2, we have C, perfect competition. And then 3 is A, those who buy the good or service.
Okay. So C and then A. Okay, sorry, thank you.
You're good. Okay, so who's doing question 6?
Oh, I guess I can since she can't see it. I wasn't sure, but I put D, an increase in the price of a complement, but I really wasn't sure.
So I put B.
Okay.
Just because if you are decreasing in your income, then you're going to buy more inferior goods. And so because it's shifting to the right, there's going to be a higher demand.
Okay. Yeah, that makes more sense.
I put A though, because I thought with the good is inferior, I thought it said something about it wouldn't increase the quantity.
So which one did you put?
I put A because if you move, the only thing I could see it moving is more quantity, is if the price was decreased, that people would buy more.
So I thought that if there's ever a change in price, that would be along the curve. It would be along the curve instead of moving the curve.
I'm not sure then.
What did everyone else get?
I got D as well.
Okay.
And I was just thinking because that was the overall market, and so I'm not exactly sure. I was just assuming the reason why it was D is because if the other, like the complement good is going to increase, then your price will increase as well. I don't know. I was just my thinking about it, but that's probably wrong. So
I guess I thought that if the complement increases the price, that means there's less people that are going to buy it. So then I would think that it would shift to the left.
Yeah.
But maybe I'm wrong. We can just table that one and keep on going and then come back to it at the end.
that's good.
All right, so what number are we on?
7.
7. Okay, I can do 7. So there's 4 graphs, and it says if the 4 families listed in the table are only demanders of Mountain Dew in the market, which of the following is the correct graph for the market demand? I said A.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it as well. I'll do 8. When quantity demand has increased at every price, it might be because I put the price of a complementary good has decreased.
That's what I got.
Same. I can do 9. The quantity supplied of a good is the amount that I put D, sellers are willing and able to sell.
Same.
Yeah, I got it too.
Yeah.
I can do D or 10. Sorry. Today's supply curve for iPads could shift in response to change in, and I put all the above D.
Same.
Actually, on that one, I think on 10 it was supposed to be B, the expected future price of iPods.
That's what I had,
Okay.
but when I was going through the quiz, I didn't see all the above, and so I would be fine with choosing either B or D. So if you can prove A or C, one of those is wrong, then I'll go with B. But
Yeah, I couldn't. That's what my thing was, as I just couldn't. I didn't think anything was wrong with the other one, so I thought we had to be D. So, but it could be B.
I kind of thought that A didn't make sense, so that would make D impossible because it's all the above that are correct. But I don't know if I know it well enough to explain to you why A is incorrect. I don't think it would be a shift of the demand or the supply curve. It would just be a shift along the curve.
Oh,
yeah.
Because when it's involved with prices
Right.
of like the current, but that's just my guess.
gotcha. So we're putting B then?
Yeah, we're putting B.
Okay.
Let's go for that, and then I can just submit my quiz, and I'll let you know first, and I'll let you know if I got it wrong or not.
Okay.
And then you guys can go back and fix what I missed. So for 11, it says all else equal, a sale on chicken would cause a move from, I put D, Y to X.
That's what I put too.
Everyone else good with that?
Yeah.
Yep. On 12, I put 44 units. If these are the only 4 sellers of the market quantity supplied at the price of $10, 44 units.
That's what I got.
I'll do 13.
Okay.
A rightward shift of a supply curve is called, I did A, increase in supply.
Correct.
Yep.
So then for 14, which supply schedules obey the law of supply? I put firm B and firm D only.
Same.
That's what I put.
Okay.
Okay, so I got 15. The unique point at which the supply and demand curves intersect is called D, equilibrium.
Yeah, that's
What I
right.
got.
On 16, I think I got this right. It's price of $35. There would be a surplus of 400 units.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I guess I'll do 17. Which of the following movements would illustrate the effect in the market expenses of the increase in the price of wood? Point A to B.
You said what?
Point A to B.
Okay, yeah.
No echo.
Okay, so I guessed on this one, so I'm interested to know what you guys thought.
I put B.
Yeah, I put B too.
Okay.
Yeah, I put B.
What did you put?
I had
put
D.
You had D?
Yeah, but I was confused at what it was explaining happened to the turkey in the first place. Or like how the increase of productivity would involve the demand curve, but
I just thought that like increase and stuff like that just is a shifter. So I just figured it was, if it was an increase, it would go up that way. So that's why I put D.
okay. That's good enough for me.
Okay.
I guess I can do 19. Which of the 4 panels illustrate a decrease in quantity supplied? I put B.
Panel B.
I didn't get that one.
Did you guys get D?
I put B.
I was debating between B and D.
So why'd you pick B then?
So a decrease in quantity. I don't know.
Decrease in demand.
No, it's fine.
Well, to me, it looks like the quantity was increasing for one of them in D.
Mm,
Yeah.
So I put B as well because it looked like
B as well.
the quantity was just overall decreasing versus,
so if you're shifting it.
but yeah, I know nothing really, so
I'm on the same boat. So
Supply. Well, I think B is more portraying a change in the demand curve, and so we should be talking about the supply curve. So backpedaling, I think it's D, and I think I'm wrong when I said B.
I see what you mean.
yeah, that's why I put D, is just because I thought it was a supply graph. If that makes sense. It's supposed to go that way.
Yeah. All right, I agree. I agree.
Okay. I thought I got it wrong when I put D, but I was like, I didn't know if anyone else got like a different answer or not. So
Yeah. Decrease in quantity supplied, so decrease.
I can do 20. Which of these statements does not apply to market economies? I put C.
That's what I got.
That's what I got.
should we go through all the answers again and just make sure we got them all?
So I think the only questions we had was the number 6.
Yeah.
And then I think it was it? Which one? What was the other one that we had a question on?
Oh,
is it all the above?
Which one was that? Oh yeah, number 10.
Okay, so it's just 6 and 10. So if you want, I'm willing to submit mine, and I put B for 6, and I think I put